Welcome to the Teacher Retirement System for the State of Illinois J-1 Visa Refund video. This video will give you a basic overview of the refund process. For a member to be eligible for a refund, they must resign from their TRS covered position. You may request and complete the refund application prior to the last day of teaching if on a J-1 visa. Prior to the refund check being issued, a 4-month wait period must elapse. To request a refund of your contributions, contact TRS by phone or email and provide the following information: your full name, the last 4 of your social security number, current mailing address, phone number, last employer, and the last day in a TRS covered position. Since J-1 visa members are returning to their country of residence, it is important to make sure that the address on file is up to date with the new address. Address changes can be completed by updating the address on the refund application prior to completing it, or by filling out a change of address form. Both forms require a public notary to sign. Let's look at the form. On the refund application, you must select your resident status. Resident alien is someone who has a green card or has passed the substantial presence test. They are not U.S. citizens. A non-resident alien is not a U.S. citizen, nor do they possess a green card. If you are selecting a non-resident alien, please write the country of residence on the line to the right and go to the website and print a W-8 Ben. In Section 1 of the form, answer the questions, provide the school you're taught, school district's name and number, and county. Review the estimated refund amount below. If the amount shows 0, do not worry, the number will update once the supplemental report is received from your school district after your last day of work. In Section 2, provide TRS with how you would like to receive the refund. If you would like a paper check, please select I do not elect to directly transfer for the taxable and non-taxable portions. If you want a paper check with extra withholdings, select I do elect additional federal withholdings. If you want to roll the money into a tax-sheltered account, select I do elect to directly transfer. TRS does not direct deposit refunds. On the back side of the form, a public notary must sign the form. Do not sign this section until you are in front of a notary. Notaries can be found in financial institutions, government buildings, or many school districts also have one. Section 3 is only filled out if you selected to roll the money over in Section 2. If you are taking a paper check, leave this blank. Our J-1 visa members should consider submitting a W-8 Ben. The W-8 Ben is a form from the IRS used to report the status for a foreign non-resident alien for certain U.S. tax withholdings. The form can be located by searching W-8 Ben in a search browser. TRS cannot help you fill out the W-8 Ben. If a tax treaty agreement with your country and the U.S. is present, individuals may not be taxed on their TRS lump sum. Individuals who submit a valid W-8 Ben will receive a 1042-S tax form in February the following year.